Hi guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I'm just stood in a property that we've recently completed on. This is a two bedroom, mid-terrace, spread over 3 floors and then a basement underneath. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour around and show you a few of the items that we will pick up on as part of the refurb. So I'll spin the camera around. I'm up on the second floor in the second bedroom. As you can see, the condition isn't too bad. Up here the walls are generally in good condition. We're going to give them a lick of paint, make them a nice neutral magnolia. I'm going to replace the carpets with probably a medium brown colour, something that will, hold its own over time, won't discolour. We'll get rid of the purple, like I say, with magnolia. Yeah, the room isn't too bad, so that's it for this room. We'll be fitting some balustrades on these guardrails for the tenant's safety, fitting handrails for the stairs. So as you come downstairs to the first floor, you've got a bathroom and the main bedroom, or the first bedroom. So we'll go into the main bedroom first. Again, you'll notice the carpets are in very poor condition. We're going to remove the wardrobe. It's had its day, it's very rattly and wobbly, so we'll get rid of that. We're going to paint the room again, strip the paper off and paint the room. Again, not a lot of work in this room. There's a little bit of making good to be done in this cupboard. As you can see, it's looking a bit worse for wear. I'm going to treat that wall, make it look nice and neat so that when the tenants open the wardrobe, it's looking good and presentable. So yeah, that's about it for in here. So we'll head on into the bathroom. Quite a decent bathroom. Not much to be done. Tiling's fairly good. Needs a bit of a clean round the top of the tiles where it meets the ceiling. Going to fit a blind for tenants' privacy. The shower curtain rail will be re-supporting on the corner. We'll support that from the ceiling probably. And add a curtain pole so that hopefully tenants will use that. Not a curtain pole, sorry. A shower curtain so that tenants will use that to direct the water into the bath when they're showering. We will be replacing the bath panel. There's been a bit of a DIY fix there. We've not done a great job, but never mind. So yeah, that's about it in here. As I say, not a lot of work. So as we go down to the ground floor, again, the carpet's not in great condition. The walls aren't in too bad condition. Mind a bit of painting really, not so much patching, just touching up, making them look nice and fresh. So we're now in the living room. You may notice there's nice tall ceilings in here. It does make, although the layout is pretty much identical to most of what we buy, this room does feel a lot bigger. So in here we will be painting the chimney breast, getting rid of the red and then painting the whole room. Probably magnolia. We'll be replacing the floors. There's a bit of damage to the laminate, which is a shame because it's quite a nice colour. I like the bay window on this property. We don't often get ones with bay windows, so it's a nice change, adds a lot more light and a bit of extra room. We will be making good the mess that's happened up there. We'll be checking above the bay window to make sure there's no water ingress currently. So that's the living room. That's pretty much it for in here. It's very little work. So in the kitchen, we will be adding a new door. We'll be replacing the floor. As you can see down here, there's a gap between the dryer and the floor. I'm not sure why that is, but we will do whatever is necessary with the floor underneath before laying a new vinyl. Going to do little things like clipping that cable back. We may end up boxing in the pipework, but that's where the fridge will go, so it may not be necessary. It may just be giving them a little bit of a paint to tidy them up and hide them. So as you can see, the kitchen isn't too bad. We'll add a new blind. We may end up resealing around the worktops. We're going to look into the current seals that they have on. They may tidy up, but if there's any gaps there, we're going to get them resealed so that water can't get down the back. So that's about it for that property. As you can see, it's not a major refurb, it's fairly straightforward. So yeah, if you're interested in finding out more about what we do or more about the refurb and what we're going to be doing, feel free to get in touch with myself or one of the team. Thanks guys, see you soon.